Hey guys, Lucky Isaac over here, bringing you guys a brand new video of how to make a Windows batch file by yourself. So, I I have a lot of batch file made by myself. You can see one also over here. So, it has a starting controller text and a system password, security system of course. If you want, you can add it. Yep, I'm going to show you how to add it in today's episode. So the password for today's, this batch file is Lucky Isaac is the best. Okay, in capital, of course. Lucky Isaac is the best. But if I type in Lucky Isaac is the worst, you can see wrong password. Okay, if I type in Lucky Isaac is the best, it's going to show power on or fix it. It means correct password. If I type in on, it's going to start the system. If I type in games, it's going to show the list of games I play. And if I type in videos, I haven't made any videos guys, work in progress. If I type in CPU, it's going to show the information about my CPU. So all fix information and hyper u inform. Okay, we have every single information over here. Okay, now go down and click any key, it's going to clear the screen. Yep, it's like that. And if I type in account, it's going to show my account. That's my email actually. Okay, and if I'm not going to show the password, so I have made an hacking system in it. Account open, hacking account, yes. Type hack code, hack code is account crack heal, and security accepted. Search account info biography, go back. I'm going to go back for today. I'll show you in the next episode everything. Okay, that's pretty much about it. We can go ahead and close it. Nah. Okay, first of all you need a notepad to actually type in the system, command and all stuff. Okay, full screen. First of all we need a title for the app, batch file. It's going to be test subject for today's episode. And go up and type in at echo off. Wait, you can see that. So go up at echo off. It's not going to mess up our screen, that's why I'm going to type that. Okay, now you can go down and set your color of the screen. Yep. So if you want help, you can just go to command prompt and get help. So for today's episode, 0 is going to be our color. Type in help, color, it's going to open it. Okay, the color means, okay, black. 0 is going to be black and A is going to be light green. It means 0, black background and light green text. Yep. So we can go ahead and actually do it. Okay, 0 A. Now we can just go ahead and put a directory to it. You can type any directory if you want, anything. Okay, so for today's episode it's start echo and hello. Oh yeah, that's one of the most important thing in command. If I type in hello in the command prompt, you can see, okay, you can see hello is not recognized as an internal or external command, and it's showing an error. Okay, echo hello. If I type in echo hello, it's going to show hello directly without any error. That's echo. So that's why I just typed in echo off at the top screen to actually not mess up the screen with the echo. Okay, echo hello viewers. That's going to be our text. Now you can just go ahead and type pause and exit. Okay, pause, exit. Enough. That's going to be our test actually. So save it and so the name of the file is going to be test subject.bat. .bat is very important guys, don't forget to type in .bat. Okay, and type and set it to all files. Just go ahead and save it in the desktop. Okay, you can find it over here. Wait. Okay, I found it. Now just drag it down. Oh, oh, okay. Hello viewers, you can see it's there. Now we can just click it and it will close the screen. Okay, now just right click the file to edit it and click edit. Okay, no, okay. You can see if you want to. You can just type in go to security in capital. That doesn't matter. Just the command needs to be correct. Okay, now just type in security. You know what? Just forget about the go to security. Just clear it off. Okay. The security. This is really important, guys. This is very complex one. So type in echo. Please type password. That's going to be the text showing. Okay. No, just type in set. Yep, this is important, guys. Pay attention. Okay. If I type in set /p and the password p, okay, pswd. Okay, that's enough. Okay, and make a space in there. Okay. Now type in if the password, percentage password, and the percentage. The percentage is really important, guys. Okay, it's going to actually display the value rather than the word. Okay, you see the password over there. Now if the password equals to password, okay, the password is going to be our password. I know it doesn't make any sense, but okay, that's just basic, right? Go to start, not start. Okay, open. You can go to open. Now just type in open. Oh no, okay, type in false password actually. So because if it doesn't go to open, it's going to false password. Okay, now just echo wrong password. Pause and go to security. Yep, if it's wrong you have to type it again. Now just type in open echo, wait, on echo correct password, password. Okay, and I just messed up my echo. Okay, no problem. Now that's the basics, guys. It's done. That's pretty much about it. Now you can just go ahead and pause. Okay, and another thing, guys, there's a command called clear screen. Okay, for example, if I type in dir/s over here, it's going to mess up my screen. You can see it. Now if I type in cls at the bottom over here, cls, it's going to clear the screen. So after every single pause, it's not needed. After the answer and all the visit pause, a very big directory or something like that, you can type in cls over there to clear the screen. It's going to keep it neat. Okay, now you can just go ahead and open it. Hello viewers, please type password. The password is password, and it's going to correct password. If I type in the wrong password, for example OT password, okay, it's going to show a wrong password. You can see it. Oh wait, okay, you can see it, wrong password. So that's the basics of the batch file, guys. I'm going to show you in the next episode how to actually make a question answer batch file. So you can just go ahead and click help if you want to learn it by yourself. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Just do anything you want with batch file, of course. No, actually, okay, set. The set is going to be actually a really important thing. If I type in echo x, it's going to show x. if I type in echo, I mean you can see X. Now if I type in echo echo percentage X percentage, you can see, and click enter, you can see 9. You see. Okay, I can make more values with it, like set, I mean okay, set is the basic, guys. Okay, set a slash a, yeah, of course, slash a, and a y, or is that anything, any alphabet, y equals to x plus maybe 17. Okay, 17, wait, 17. Okay, now if you press enter, it's going to show 26. 9 plus 17, 26. Easy. So 26, you can see it here. Okay, now if I type in echo x, I mean percentage x percentage, it's going to show 9. If I type in echo percentage y percentage, it's going to show 26. That's it, guys. Now if you want to, you can, okay guys, okay, I have created actually a help or nothing, type help, and it's going to show the screen. Here, this is the place where I actually learned everything about the Batfell. I did not look up the YouTube. So this is very easy, guys. You can just go ahead and type in help and any help set if you want to. It's going to show everything about set, everything you need to know about set. Okay, and few of these things you can understand, and other things you cannot understand. It's very hard to understand, guys. Okay, if I type in time, it's going to show the time, and you can actually enter the new time, but I'm not going to do that. If I type in echo percentage time, it's going to show the time actually without anything. If I type in date, it's going to show the date and the editing. Okay, that's it, guys. You can see, we can just go ahead and close it. And I have also created a question and answer game in this batch file. I'm going to show it right now. Okay, the password of this is going to be Lucky Isaac. It's the best, I guess so. Okay, it's the correct answer. Now you can see the Lucky. Oh, I'm sorry, Lucky Isaac. Oh, sorry guys, it's going to be a number game, and the correct answers gives us 1 point, wrong answers -1. If we have 2 points, okay, the correct answer is PewDiePie. Okay, so that's pretty much, guys. You can see over here microcontrollers, you can see a lot of complex stuff in here. Actually, you can learn this, of course. This is easy, guys. You can absolutely learn it. Okay, let's go ahead and close it. Okay, if I type in the wrong password over here, okay, it's the, okay, it's the incorrect password. Okay, Lucky Isaac is the best. Still wrong, guys. And you can see there's a trial over here. Trials remaining 1. If I type incorrect password for 2 more times, it's going to actually make a security stuff. Okay, security enable closing window. It closes it. Okay, so link in description for my own batch files. If you want to download it, I will show you. So that's pretty much about it, guys. If you want to know more, just comment below. If you have any doubts, you can comment below that too. Please make sure you subscribe and click the bell. Also hit the like. Bye bye.